Onshape has taken the lead in AI-driven design. What you're looking at is a number 35 roller chain sprocket created entirely by AI, in this case Claude Opus 4.8. But this isn't just another AI-generated CAD model. It's a native Onshape custom feature, a reusable engineering tool capable of generating thousands of sprocket variations. If you've ever designed a sprocket, you know that this is no small task. Capturing design intent requires complex construction geometry with more than 70 geometric constraints just to define a tooth profile. What's remarkable isn't just that AI got the design right, it's that the result is a fully editable Onshape custom feature. I can change the number of teeth, switch the hub styles, specify multiple strands, add or remove a keyway, and modify the bore. AI didn't just model a sprocket, it created a reusable engineering tool. So how did AI and Onshape make this possible? The answer is FeatureScript and the new Onshape FeatureScript MCP server. Once connected to your favorite LLM, you simply describe the feature you want to build. The AI writes the feature script, the source code behind custom features in Onshape. It writes the code, debugs it, tests it, and iterates until it has a working solution. If needed, you simply continue prompting until you're satisfied with the result. This is what Claude produced, the actual feature script source code written entirely by AI. It didn't just build a model, it codified engineering knowledge into a reusable design tool. This isn't text to CAD, it's text to code to CAD. Instead of returning to AI for every design iteration, Onshape lets AI create the engineering logic once. From that point on, engineers work directly in CAD using the custom feature. The results check every box. It creates sophisticated CAD geometry. It captures engineering intent. It produces native, fully editable Onshape features that regenerate in a predictable parametric manner, and it minimizes AI token consumption. This is why the future isn't text to geometry, it's text to code to CAD. Onshape FeatureScript MCP will be available to all users through Onshape Labs. Visit onshape.com/onshape labs to explore our latest AI innovations and much more.